Welcome back. Today we're going to be cooking some honey garlic chicken. So first you're going to need some chicken breast. I have 2 breasts here, so I'm going to cut them in half so we have 4 halves. Check out the video for the person who made the recipe in the top right corner and in the description. We're just going to season them with salt and pepper. We're also going to season the back of it with salt and pepper. We're going to coat each half in some flour. I'm going to drop some butter in a pan on high heat until it melts. And you're going to drop the chicken into the pan. You're going to cook those until they're about golden on the bottom, then you're going to flip them over. Here we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of garlic, a tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and we're just going to add a bunch of honey. Stir that all together. Lower the heat to low so it can simmer and the sauce can thicken. Once the sauce is thick, take the chicken out and you can eat it with whatever you want. I ate it with the rice. I had to taste it, it looked pretty good. And if you want more sauce, then just put it on. Alright, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe, and you can check out my other videos right there.